Do you know who was the first artist to perform the Flying Trapeze Circus act? On 12 November 1859, Jules Liotard performed the first Flying Trapeze Circus act in Paris at the Cirque Napoleon, now known as Cirque du Hiver. Liotard is credited with inventing this daring aerial performance involving swinging from one trapeze bar to another while airborne. The act lasted about 12 minutes and included world's first mid-air somersault and leap from one trapeze to another. He was born in Toulouse, France. His father, Jean Liotard, was a gymnastics instructor who also ran a swimming pool where Jules practiced his routines above the water. He designed a tight-fitting, one-piece knitted garment to wear during his act, now known as the Liotard. The costume showcased his physique and prevented entanglement with trapeze bars, becoming a standard in aerial acrobatics. He introduced the act to London music halls in 1861, earning up to £180 a week, about £5,000 in today's money. Jules Liotard died young in 1870 at age 32, likely from smallpox or cholera. Notably, the catcher, who catches the trapeze artist midair, appeared only later at the end of the 19th century. Some of the other most famous circus performers include Isaac Van Amburg from USA, a 19th century lion tamer known as the Lion King. The first recorded human cannonball was performed by 14-year-old Rosa Matilda Richter Zazelle at Royal Aquarium in London on 10 April 1877. On 30 June 1859, Charles Blondin, a legendary tightrope walker from France, crossed the Niagara Falls on a tightrope. He repeated the feat dozens of times later, including once with a wheelbarrow. Mae Emmeline Worth was an Australian circus and vaudeville performer, famous for her ability to do somersaults forwards and backwards on a running horse. Today, circus equipment has undergone major improvements. New materials have made gear lighter and stronger and better safety features, allowing performers to move with more agility and confidence. The first modern Indian circus appeared in 1880, founded by Vishnupant Chatre, a riding master and music teacher. He worked at the stables of Raja of Kurduvadi and performed feats of horsemanship. The first performance of Chatre's Great Indian Circus took place on 20 March 1880. It toured across India and nearby countries. Despite other entertainment options, circus remains alive in India, with notable companies like the Rambo Circus in Delhi, Great Bombay Circus in Mumbai and Ajanta Circus in Odisha.